I'm an educated, but unemployed youth, so I'm worried I don't know how to skill myself. For this, I keep thinking to skill myself. Once I heard an offer from a friend to learn computer at a company called Skilltech and started expressing happiness. I quickly went to Skilltech Computer Institute. After leaving, asked the receptionist what you were taught here. Here we are taught about reception. 1. Computer office application. 2. POD design. 3. Digital marketing. 4. Web design. 5. Driving and English language. I said I want to do the computer office application course. How much is the cost fee? The receptionist said the cost is Rs 6,550. You will get a discount of 20% to 60% if you make a one-time payment in advance. Receptionist also said computer office application course has 3 packages. 1 month, package 30 classes online. Offline. 2 months package 40 classes online. Offline. I said how much money excluding the discount? 6 months package 90 classes online. Offline. Office application course fee Rs 6,550, but 20% to 60% discount on advance payment on package, online and offline basis viz. 1 month package online on advance payment to 60% off. 2. 1 month package offline, direct on advance payment to 50% discount. 3. 2 months package online per payment to 40% discount. 4. 2 months package offline, direct on advance payment to 30% discount. 5. 6 months package online minus 20% discount on advance payment. The receptionist said 1 month online course equals 2,620 rupees. 2. 1 month offline equals 3,275 TK. 3. Online for 2 months equals 3,930 taka. 4. 2 months offline equals 4,585 rupees. 5. 6 months online equals 5,240 rupees. I said thank you to the receptionist. I want to enroll in 1 month online course. I will come soon with the preparation for admission. The receptionist said thank you for coming to our Skilltech Computer Institute. Thanks for watching our video so far.